So we're looking at a word problem. Let's read it and see what we have to do. Margaret purchased a doormat measuring 1/2 of a yard by 2/3 of a yard for her back door step. If the step measures 1/4 of a square yard, will the mat fit? Explain. So what we have to do is we have to figure out how much space this is going to take. So we're taking our half and we're multiplying it by 2/3. And we know that we can multiply our numerators. 1 times 2 is 2, and 2 times 3 is 6. And we have to reduce this fraction or simplify. And when we do that, we are dividing top and bottom by 2, which divided by 2 is 1. 6 divided by 2 is 3. The other way of doing this is to cancel. And you've seen this before. So here we know that we can cancel our 2's. They become 1's. And you get the same thing, 1/3. So the question is, now we have to compare it to the 1/4, right? So will the mat fit? Well, what if you're not sure if 1/3 is greater or smaller than 1/4? You can always draw, okay? So if you draw your circle, if you draw 2 circles, and one circle represents 1/3, so we're going to divide this into thirds, and one circle is supposed to represent fourths, we can divide this one into fourths, and then we can compare. So here, this is 1/3, and this is 1/4. And you can see that 1/3 is actually greater than 1/4. So if the mat is 1/3 of a square yard and it's larger than the space, it's not going to fit. Will not fit. Okay? Because 1/3 of a square yard is larger than 1/4 of a square yard. And really, that's the only amount of space that we have.